Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share all the basic information regarding this very beautiful and unique flower, the bleeding heart. Previously it was known as Dicentra spectabilis, but nowadays it is renamed as Lamprocapnus spectabilis and the common name is bleeding heart because as you see the flowers it looks like a heart is bleeding, so the common name is that. And another common name is lady in a bath, because when you rotate this flower in 180 degree you can see this white color, and imagine it is a lady and she is bathing, so the common name is lady in a bath. And also there is another bleeding heart flower, that is bleeding heart vine from a Clerodendron species, so do not confuse with the bleeding heart flower and bleeding heart vine because these common names are similar in both. And it is a perennial flower and it goes dormancy in the summer season, because when the temperature rises its leaf and its stems get dried and only the root part remain in the soil. And again in the winter season when the temperature is quite cool, the shoot starts arising from the base of the root and it starts flowering in the spring season. So by this we can simply say that it loves cool and moist climate and it needs full sunlight, and if you want to grow in the warmer and drier climate region then please keep it in a semi shade condition or full shade condition, then only it will flower. Another important thing is that when the plant is in bloom, the flowers remains on the plant for more than 1 to 1.5 months, and the flowers born in a horizontal racemes, and in each raceme approximately more than 20 flowers are bloom in a single time. So now let's talk about how to take care of this plant. When you are planting in a temperate and subtropical region, then please provide it full sunlight, and when it is in drier and warmer climate like India, then please plant in semi-shade conditions. And the soil should be well drained, fertile and rich with organic matter, then only it will be good for this plant. And in the summer when the plant get dry, then please prune it from the base, and also protect the base area or root area from the heavy sun and heavy rain and some other mechanical damage. And how you will identify this plant when it is not in bloom? The simple thing is that the leaves are compound leaves and they are 3-lobed as you can see, and they have some finger ridges, so it is very easy to identify, and the stems are little reddish or pinkish in color. And if you want to multiply your plant, then it is very easy, simply divide the roots and plant it wherever you want. I will keep the link in the description how to multiply or how to divide the eyes of this bleeding heart. And there are many varieties in bleeding heart. The Lamprocapnus spectabilis, which is pink and white as you are seeing here, and another is Alba variety which is white in color, and other is the Valentine which is a combination of red and white, and another is Gold Heart. The special of Gold Heart is its leaves are light yellow in color. So I think I have covered all the information regarding this beautiful flower. If I missed something then please mention in the comment box. So you can also watch my top 10 plant videos which are very popular, and it is very good for the landscaping if you are planning for landscaping. And also you can follow me on my Instagram where I used to share information related to plants, nature and landscaping. So see you soon in my next video.